Hello and welcome again to a new video. Today we'll be talking about the width tool, which allows you to add width to any stroke. You can create all kinds of shapes with the width tool. Let's find out how. So I'm going to start with a line and give it a stroke because otherwise the tool won't work. We select the width tool. We start from the top. I'm going to try and draw a vase here. So you click and drag left or right. Let's go to the neck of the vase and the mid part. Now the bottom part, and let's fix this area here. You could also click on any point and slide up or down to adjust your shape. And you can also add as many points as you'd like when you click and drag. Let's give this a realistic look by adding a gradient. Change the gradient type, and once you're done creating your shape, you can easily go to Object, Expand Appearance, and it'll convert it to a mesh. Another way of using the width tool is you could actually adjust each side individually by holding down the Option key and dragging left or right. Alright then, this will be the end of our video for today. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.